Yes.
Antarctica is the land that surrounds the Earth pond. So all the oceans in the Earth make a pond. All of the continents are the islands, and the
Yes.
edge of our land is the edge of our world is Antarctica, which is just the shoreline of the world pond. Antarctica is the highest
Okay.
land on Earth. Did you know that? When you go to
I did not know
Antarctica,
that. No.
when you go to Antarctica, the land is like 100, 200 feet above your head when you get there. It's the highest land
Right.
on Earth. We live in the Antarctic basin. We live in the Antarctic basin, right?
Okay.
And the Earth, they say is 70% water. Might be more water than that, or there may be hidden continents out here that nobody can get to. Large bodies of water at rest lay flat. Fact. We can do
Yes.
it. We can measure it.
Right.
And we can see too far. If the Earth is 24,901 miles around, there would be curvature. Okay, right? If you're on a ball, there would be curvature, and as something goes away, it would disappear over that curve. Correct?
And do things not?
Well, they do, but